see this. Your clients do too. Hi, I'm Daniel from Scope Facilities. I help property owners and managers avoid common maintenance problems before they turn into costly repairs. In this series, I'll share simple, practical tips to keep your property safe and running smoothly. Glass doors are the first thing people touch and notice. Fingerprints, streaks, and grime instantly make your building feel unprofessional. Quick wipes don't cut it. You need proper glass cleaning with the right tools. Scope Facilities keeps every entry crystal clear. Drop your maintenance issue below, and we'll explain the solution in the next video. Drop